Yo. I know see Elrico Legacy I represent for Michael Super Awesome channel. You see me as a like, share, subscribe, comment, click on the vlogging channel. You see me as a image jogging.
Yes, my viewers. Finally, Cedar Valley people can now travel in more comfort. Finally, Cedar Valley people can reach their destination in a more relaxed way. Finally, this road has reached the stage of asphalt paving. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the development of St. Thomas. And it continues today. We are in Cedar Valley. Just posted a video the other day, a couple days ago, showing us that this road now has been aisle. And see it here today, we are giving an update and we're telling us we'll soon get an update. Set of asphalt. You get what I say, viewers? See it there? Yeah. Open it now, man. Thing about it rain and fall, so the workers them kind of ease off of it. It's me and my umbrella here this time. Yeah, different umbrella. This one is a green one. So the machine now, as I can see them done one side of the car, reach late and all these things. So we're right at Cedar Valley St. Thomas, viewers and subscribers. This is where the big wall is. So this road is the only major road that left in this era for asphalt. You get what I say, viewers? Yes. So when them complete this, that's it. Anything left for us like a minor, viewers. So this is the only major piece of road that leave. That will be asphalt now. And I hit them do. So as soon as them done this, it's just some little not minor leave. So if you ask me how much percent of the road asphalt so far, would I tell us 99.99999%. So anything left are most like some little patching and some little area and some little thing where water may create a little store. Get what I say, viewers and subscribers. So you know, stick and stay, you know. Want to know what they do? So just do they do. See the machine as me I tell you. The rain and fall, so workers them now going at the rain and because this now no cover over it. So stick and stay because I know we are going out with details, make you see all the necessary things we want to see. I don't know how respond to this already. Cement and asphalt, whited and in team. So as I say, finally, Cedar Valley people, Yeah, man, can relax now. Drive more relax. Motorists coming to Cedar Valley. Yeah, can more relax now. This is the road everybody have been waiting on. And at this, remember we are telling us we have followed that piece of we show you the wall, viewers. So see the wall here. So this wall it have to go up before them could have do any work on the road. This is the wall that it have hold up all the progress here. So when all of the vehicles have to divert around a village. If you know Cedar Valley, yeah. So then divert the top village gate and come out down at the next village gate. This road they condemn maybe if you no condemn. This road they lock off. Maybe about 2 years or so. Remember they have a landslide also. All of them videos in our channel, so you can go and watch them and see how it stay from morning to where it is now. It's coming from a far away, viewers and subscribers. To where it coming from, to where it is now, yeah man, it come from a far away, man. So we have to give thanks and praise to reach to this so that it can backfill and motorists then drive on it and ram it and press a man and do all the necessary things that need to be done. Now as you can see, asphalt upon it now, viewers. So finally this road has reached to this. So at the end of the day we are go, overall walk what them do so far. So stick and stay now, viewers. As I said, them complete one side already. So the next side now as I see, I'm going to take on you now. So stick and stay now. Yeah man, Cedar Valley citizen can relax themselves going in Marant Bay, coming from Marant Bay. Anywhere they're coming from, coming to Cedar Valley. So my viewers, as I can see right here, so it start, you know. So here see them join. And see them complete one side already, so stick and stay, you know, because you know the next side them will take on, you know. Yeah. The rain a fall still, but place still not stop it, place still solid. Can take the asphalt same way. So that's where the vehicle normally drive over the years, around here. So now this road I go finish and open up, so they no need to go around this no more, unless them have like a personal thing where them have to deal with. So this road I go make the traveling back and front to Cedar Valley more better now, more easier. You understand? So my viewers, as I can see them start the next side. No joke about it. Yeah, man, the next side is because I will say nobody here when them start that side, so you know. When I have to stick and stay out, you know, they always going out with equal, you know. Bless up in the general. Natural one, natural. It's a new worker that the first we see him, so I'm kind of new to the work. He was brown man. My jeans sponsor, blue jeans. Yeah. But he won't catch on, he new. So my viewers and my subscribers who know Cedar Valley, been to Cedar Valley, that road, that's where you drive on it. Go to village round here, so right at the front part here, so you find a famous land where a lot of dance keep Manawa land. Even we ourselves play there too. You understand what I say? Round here, so that's where the vehicle will divert over this series while this road I work on. So as we said, now that them I finish up this road here now, So the motorists them don't need to go around this no more unless them have them personal thing or something that they need to drop off. But this is the road that them have now. This is the original main road, and it just them have fix up viewers and subscribers. We've done with it once and for all. So them can have it to their own ledger. Just hopefully do the right thing. As we always say, just do the right thing. So viewers and subscribers, just go and do the do, you know. We are in Cedar Valley Center, massive development continue. A carman they have to wait. Yeah, I just see where I come from yesterday, that's all of the vehicle I drive over the years. So the carman they have to wait. And then you need a press up on this before you can drive on it also. A press have to run over it before you can drive over it. Rain again. So I'm going to drive on it. I know person run on it well. It's good. So wheel sync up in it. So I'm going to cover out in the middle of the tin of yours. But you just cover the edge first and then cover the middle. Rainy night or a rainy evening in the Cedar Valley. There's a look for the place already rain and fall, the place on sappy. You know, the place with sappy, I guess it could have created an animosity. But it's not sappy, so it's good, man, can't take it. And then it's a downhill, so the water not settle, the water just move. Why do I wear in a car? You want one? You want one? Yeah, here we go. Yeah, we are doing it now. So viewers and subscribers, this is how village top gate look now. Yeah, so this is the new village gate, the top village gate in Cedar Valley 2023. That's the third shop over there, sir. Most ever know Cedar Valley long time. Original Cedar Valley people. Yeah man, this is the new village gate. Look here now, viewers. Talk to me now, man. Hey viewers, chat to me now, man. Development of center must continue right across. Press not touch over here so yet, you know, viewers. No, the press not touch over here so yet. I just see my dealing the giant my dealing first. Right where you see that car that come from. The general. On us. Yeah man. Right where you see the car there come from. Why man a drive over there? So them man are silly so man. Man don't know say if you drive. Yo, come out that side of me general. Yeah. Why man a drive but why the man are silly man? General, what you say about the new village gate you know? Talk to me now, what you say about the place?
You like that right, man?
You like how it look?
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself, man. I don't know, only per truck come today now, viewers. It's only 3 truck. So stick and stay, when they finish the truck, then we are going to give an overall walk and I'm going to see what them done for the day. So it's only 3 truck come today. So I guess this is the second truck. Yeah, this is supposed to be the second truck. I don't sure still. But we know one done already, so I don't know if I see that I turn. But stick and stay, man. You don't see everything in viewers. Right now we always go into details, we're going to see things. Right now, viewers, when the way this place is set up, when this rain a bus, it look like we are, it's going to be like, yo, the place dark like, whoa. I just see camera me put on the phone, I could not see that. Look, I tell the viewers, I know I easy rain black up right now. I know I easy rain black up in a Cedar Valley. When this bus Don't ask me about it. You ask me, I tell us the place, black up the place, black up the place, black up. Just hopefully it can done and we go on a overall walk through before this rain a bus. Just hopefully it can do that. So viewers, as I said, the final truck and the final tip out that. Yes. Final truck, final tip out. So I drive Major, so that's it for the day. So we're doing a overall walk through now, make you see what then done for the day, viewers and subscribers. So stick and stay now. I'm going to do the overall walk through here. Ready? Let's go. So we're giving you an overall walk here now. We're showing you what them have done for the day. As we say, a 3 truck forward, so those 3 truck alone, them have to work with. So we say with the Cedar Valley top village gate. And it will go right to the bottom of village gate, but not today, not complete it today. So this is how the new village gate look. 2023. Let you know see. You know overall walk viewers. This is what them done for the day, as we say. 3 truck alone. One of them truck like about 30 ton, you know. One of them truck like about 30 ton. So remember it will go straight to the next village gate, you know, but them down go complete it today. So you can call this day 1. So the big press are just a touch young, you know, just a do field work, you know. Because I watch a video coming on, this is a little press alone need a work. Then that's one little technical difficulty with the big one. So then finally fix it up and get over it, just ready for work now. So viewers and subscribers, we bring it to the make on see it. So this is where it stopped. By the day, 3 trucks. So remember, speak your mind down in the comment section, you know. Yeah. So as we say now, viewers and subscribers, this is the road. When this road complete now, there's no more major asphalt to be going in Cedar Valley, neither Trinityville. So if you ask the asphalt reach, 99.99999% in Cedar Valley. In Trinityville, same thing, 99.999. So it's almost complete. Not fully complete, there's some little patching. And some little part where the pipe was and they move pipe and them look at the pipe a leak and some little part they spot the leg. So this leg of contract from Morant Bay to Cedar Valley almost complete. Listen me carefully now. Listen me carefully now, viewers. Nest Castle, some work start in Nest Castle. So I got to give you an update on Nest Castle work. So look out for that video. Some work start in Nest Castle. So we are going to go over there and take a look and we're going to see what work we perform over in Nest Castle. So look out for that video. Okay, viewers and stuff, I don't know when. Because rain a fall and whole heap of things are going. So we don't know when we can reach over there, but we'll try to reach over there and give you an update. Okay, so now that we come to the end of another video, if you're new and subscribe to my channel, thank you very much for subscribing. If you leave a like, thank you very much for liking my video. You leave a comment. Yes, that's where to get active down in the comment section. Viewers and subscribers. So we say now that we come to the end of another video, you know, so hope you all enjoy this video. See you people in the next video, you know. Safe travel on the gravel. I'm out. Without this wall, this road could never reach where it reach. This wall I have to put up first.